The Bernalillo County Metropolitan Court will be rolling out civil e-filings soon, which means there is a new process for submitting proposed orders for cases that will be e-filed. This presentation covers those details. Requests for proposed text and free process will be sent to an email address to the judge assigned on the case. The type of things that will be sent to this email address are items that require a judge's signature, like closings, warrants, orders, judgments, releases or garnishments, and free process applications prior to the opening of the case. In addition to the proposed document, you will include a copy of the filed motion as an attachment to your email. If you have questions about what to send or what to include, please ask the judge's TCAA. The email addresses can be found on the court's website at nmcourts.gov/e-filing.aspx. Just look for the Bernalillo County Metropolitan Court's link on that page. Both the document name and the email's subject line need to match, with the case number and then a brief description of the proposed document. This example shows the case number is T4CV 2020-001234, and the brief description is Order to Show Cause. The basic process is as follows. The judge will review the emailed documents and may make changes to the document before signing it. The judge's TCAA will e-file and serve the signed document into the case. Then service contacts on the case will receive an email notification with the signed, file-stamped copy. And then the filing will become available on the secured Odyssey Public Access site and on ResearchNM. Again, if you have questions about this process, you can contact the judge's TCAA by calling the Bernalillo County Metropolitan Court at 505-841-8151.